Foundation Maths. Question 10, Part 2. Integrate 3x squared plus e to the 5x dx. Again, we're going to use the method called integration by parts, and we're going to let 3x squared equal u and e to the 5x equal dv. We're going to find the differential of this, which is going to be 6x, and the integral of this is e to the 5x over 5. Just to be sure, let's differentiate this, and we're going to get e to the 5x times a 5 because of the 5x at the top there, which would cancel with that, and that will get us back to here. So we put this into the formula. We want uv, which is uv, minus the integral of v du. And there we have it. We still can't integrate this, so what we're going to do is, for this quantity at the back here, we're going to do the process again, because here we had an x squared and here we've got an x, so we've reduced the power of x by 1, and if we do this again we'll get rid of the x term and then we'll be able to integrate it. So I'll call this I1, and that's equal to this part here. Notice I'm ignoring the minus sign there. So as before, we need a u1 and a dv1. So du is going to equal 6 over 5, and v, as before here, is going to equal 5x over 5. So if we put those into I1, so we've got uv minus v du, which is in there. There's no linear term in this quantity, so we can now integrate that, which means that I1 is equal to, I'll just gather those 5 together to get 25, and we've got 25 there, and we'll get another when we integrate that, so we get 125. So we've now got a value for I1. Now we need to substitute that back into here. Be careful of the signs, and we'll get 3x squared e to the 5x over 5 minus this part, which is 6x e to the 5x over 25, plus this part, which is here. Notice I put a minus c in there just so I could have a plus c in the final expression. And looking at this expression, you can see we've got a 3 e to the 5x over 5 as a constant term, as a common term. So removing this bit here to give me a bit of space, we can write that the integral of 3x squared e to the 5x is equal to 3 e to the 5x over 5 x squared minus 2x over 5 plus 2 over 25 plus the constant.